Welcome to your next favorite glassware upgrade with the Mikasa Palermo Crystal Champagne Flutes, set of 4, featuring elegant 250 ml glasses with striking black stems. Crafted from 100% lead-free crystal, these flutes offer superior clarity to enhance the delicate flavors and aromas of your favorite champagne. The unique design combines clear crystal with matte black stems, making them perfect for stylish parties and entertaining guests. They come securely gift-boxed, making this set an ideal present for weddings or housewarmings. Plus, these glasses are dishwasher safe, ensuring sparkling clean results every time. Be sure to wash them thoroughly before first use to maintain their brilliance. Discover the rest of the Palermo collection for matching wine glasses and tumblers to complete your set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.